Welcome students. Let's we start with unit number 1, that is fundamentals of 3D modeling. Let us start with the definition of 3D modeling. 3D modeling is the process of developing a mathematical representation of any surface of an object in 3 dimensions via specialized software. Three-dimensional model represent a physical body using a collection of points in 3D space connected by various geometric entities such as triangle, line, curve, surfaces, etc. This is the thing about 3D modeling. Now, let me take a look on the 4 P's of marketing mix. The major marketing management decisions can be classified in one of the following 4 categories. First, product. Second, price. Third, place or distribution. And fourth, promotion. Let me understand these terms one by one. Whenever a company thinking about to launch a new product, they have to think different terms like what should be the brand, what would be the quality, how would it look like, what would be the size, about color, packaging, and what are the competitors, and as compared to the competitors product, how our product is differ, means point of difference. All these things uh, we have to keep in mind while launching a product. For example, suppose you have to purchase a bike. There are various companies having their bike in a market. For example, Bajaj, Honda, Hero, Royal Enfield. Okay, these are the various companies which are launching or whose bikes are there in a market. But depending on a customer's demand, depending on the quality, customer may changes their purchase. Okay, so product is one of the thing which is very important, because it is not like once a product is launched and after 3 months or in a year that product will get obsolete or eliminate. Okay, so company have to think all these terms very seriously while launching a product. Now second P is price. Price are decided by two strategies. First one is a skimming strategy and second one is a penetration strategy. Now skimming strategy is nothing but what? I just take an example of Apple mobile phone. If you see, the mobile phones of Apple are always expensive. So their customers are limited and they never compromise with the quality. So their aim, always their aim is to give a quality without going for a mass customers. Rolls Royal. Okay, this is the vehicle which having a limited customers. Okay, so that companies are believe on a skimming strategy. Second strategy is about penetration strategy. I just take an example of Geo. Geo using that penetration strategy, they are attracting more and more people to increase their share. So to capture the market, right? So this is nothing but a penetration strategy where mass customer is the plan of the strategy. Oppo, Vivo, these are the mobile company which are using a penetration strategy. Third one is the place. That place or distribution, there are channel of distribution. There may be a direct channel of distribution and indirect channel of distribution. Okay, that place or just channel of distribution also affect on your product sale, right? So on your product's growth, maturity. Okay, all these things are affected by that channel of distribution. Which channel of distribution you adopt? As I said, there are two types of distribution: direct channel of distribution and indirect channel of distribution. Let me take a simple example: a jewelry shop, where a customer give an order and accordingly the jeweler person fulfill the requirement at that spot only. So there is no any intermediator between these two. Online sale, some of the online websites are available from where we purchase a product from the manufacturer itself. Okay. Second one is the indirect channel of distribution. In this indirect, the word itself indicating the indirect means there are some mediator between this manufacturer to customer. So this is the indirect channel of distribution. Next one is the promotion. Promotion, as we are knowing that you can also see advertisement on our television, by radio you can hear advertise of different products. This is one of the type of promotion to aware people about new products and their features. So advertisement is one of the uh, crucial part to promote any product. So again, this advertisement having two types: above the line advertisement and below the line advertisement. Above the line advertisements means, suppose we are giving a ad to newspaper, we are spreading the features of particular product by radio, by television. So here we are capturing, or we are focusing on a mass audience, right? And second one is a below the line advertisement. Here below the line advertisement means the company focuses on a specific audience, targeted audience, right? So this is the example of a below the line advertisement. Okay, this is all about the 4 P's of marketing mix, which play a very vital role for any product.